Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which Outlook version you use and backing up your current view so you can revert if needed. Once done, open the View menu and click Change View or View Settings depending on the client. You'll see layout and column options immediately. This is where you start customizing. Make sure to keep the navigation pane visible so you can test changes live. You're now ready to modify columns, reading pane, and sort rules. You now change layout elements to suit your workflow. Set the reading pane to right, bottom, or off to control message preview density. Next, click View Settings, then Columns to add or remove fields like from, subject, or categories. Resize and reorder them to prioritize information. After that, configure Sort and Group By to surface recent or flagged items. Once configured, use conditional formatting to color important messages. You finish by saving your custom view so it's reusable across folders. Go to View, change view, then save current view and give it a clear name. Make sure to apply it to specific folders or mailbox folders as needed. If something breaks, reset the view or import a saved view file. For stubborn problems, close Outlook and restart with the /clean views. Switch to clear corrupted view settings. If that fails, restore from the backup you made at the start.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.